Ka Meghalaya Cricket Association kalaya te'lok menta bat ka Vadodara Cricket Academy lingba ka Baroda Cricket Association na kabenta ka Under 19 Boys State Camp ha Vadodara Gujarat bat ajing hikai pentibit ikirang elek kai cricket jong kene kejela.
Honorary Secretary ka Meghalaya Cricket Association uba Gideon Kharkongor bala senran lang do Vice President uba Dipul Rentatiang kelekendo yo CEO ka Baroda Cricket Association Shishir Hatanggadi bat Director ka Vadodara Cricket Academy Harendra Patel bat ikran halor kilat kelenti ban kenti gejing lekai cricket haga jela Meghalaya bat kathan barokowe uba Gideon Kharkongor ulapen pa hakmat kini kibor peniat ka Baroda bat Vadodara ba ka jela Meghalaya kadan hapne gejing ban kenti gejing lekai cricket namar ka jinglong jong ka jaka bat ka sun beneng haga ba kirang lekai keliolat tanglai benai ban lekai haga sisnem bat namar kani ka jela kadan kam banwat ikijaka ke beduna ka jingta na ka jinglong ka sun beneng ha ka podliur badru banyo ikijaka lekai ke babiang lut na dong sedong hakari na kaliang ka Vadodara Cricket Academy kala terwai ka jela Meghalaya ban penbiang ikijingdan kam na do ka madan lekai ka gym ka swimming pool bat kiwe na lor ban ailat kirang lekai ka jela ban lekai lang bat kikenhon jong ka academy la pentip begang lekai bapau kari kom Munaf Patel Irfan bat Yusul Pathan lambat kiwe kila banwan ai jinghikai bat ai mensiam ya kirang lekai namar kani ke jela kan sapha ya barok kikenhon lekai syakalang ki benta jong kari banishim benta ki state kam haswa jong jing lekai ka BCCI ka ban sedang na do ka arpau trek unai lor haranchi kumbagalong menta ki thai lekai haka kerdan under 19 jong jela kidan haka Just Cricket Academy Bengaluru kat bagi thai lekai balakam he karta ken selet sha ka cricket school ha Bengaluru loong ru bakirang lekai ka kerdan under 25 ken selet pentibet ha ka Vadodara Cricket Academy kat bai ki balakam he ken selet sha Pondicherry
sajit kane ka tournament ba organize ka BCCI menakai under 19 na Meghalaya mga ngadi bowler la farm orthodox spinner but kani ka kam ka coach ki biang ki penek ba ka fielding ki lai kai ba kumno ban ball ban batting kumno ban bam ki di ban bam kumno ki penek ki gym ka weather sane ka kham set ban ya ka seselong ting kham shot simjenge him bodang swan kita mina kham yang adap to an ka tournament bangin nyelak kai kan sedang da apkanai tarik menta September sha haranchi di kena kilaya le bahi le pitchtom le jong benta badang ni ladan ki coaches ki trainers bat ki physios ki player abiki di habide bakani ka kam ko jengi mentang ni kalong nam tabat konkret bangin let support ranchi kalam ke bidu mangkat trophy bola pelong da VCCI di team sebangin nyelak kai kita para Northeastern State si di Kadan Nagaland Manipur Sikkim Arunachal bat Mizoram di kai kalong kabuksi ringi meta nang ba ladangi perform gini ok bandong cha kana stages di ngikerman makum ke team ngilak melek kai ba bat hajuk kapor kini kalong kalat ru ikni kena nang ba ka kamtam ka BCI ka ability ba ka bat ka pekmat paru ingi sakathan lam ingi mar bagi player kalong kansai ba ingi kerman makum ka team hakan ni ka ton menta iman ra ik jinjok publish buat
kalong ke ka ba ngi na ka session ro bangi hap shem ya gane ka senjam bangin mi na bar jeng ka state ka jongi namar ba yoi ka jinglong jingman jong ka state ka jongi ka ba menta ujur pelat uslap bat ha ka jo ka por ini ka klam jingpang ro kadang yo besar sapriang haka jela ka jongi de komta kini ki team ki jongi hi baro nado kane ka under 19 boys ki under 19 girls but hadian habot ki senior men women but ki under 25 boys ro kin mi nabar jonga jela bagin yo ban debet iladi hakini ki state camp ki badan chabar ka jela ka jongi na kalian juga session ngila persyang ban mi kinu ki jaka ki academy bang ngila ban tayap ban yo ban le kini ki camp namar don kam sipone ki madan ki babiang ki facilities kum ki nets ki gym bat swimming pool bat kinta ter but hangning yo i ka jaka ka piang but kamdan kano ka jing penwet padeng yo ka mariang but kaneru kolong ka kano ka kenja kabu ka ba kini ki khana ki jongi kinyo ro ban melen me lakai akom kini ki jaka ki badan kata ka mo ka jing shet ka ba piang namar ba ngindai shu ya shong bai ban lakai haka jela ka jongi inom la par ban lakai bna just na dei ki por jong ka tournament te kumta na kalyang ka jongi ro i persang ban mi na bar jong jela bangin yo man penangkam kini ki facilities itip sebar jong jela jongi ki facilities le ki piang palat dengi kwa hiban ai kane ka kabuk siar ya ki player ki support staff ki jongi bangin yo man penangkam kane ka beta.
And right now Meghalaya Cricket Association has approached me for their under 19 team practice. As we know that BCCI Vinu Mankad tournament is going to start it, so they need practice session because it's a monsoon time, and in Meghalaya there is a lot of rain and there is no practice session much going on. So as I saw since 10 days there are boys and the coaches, assistant coaches, physio trainer, everybody is working hard for their boys, and a lot of good players are going to come out from this tournament, and they are performing. We saw the selection matches also, and selector just came and they have selected the 20 boys, and they played 3 matches here in between them, and they got selected, and they did yo-yo test also for fitness. So everything is going very nicely. Even the boys are practicing right now, and I see the hard work of each and every players they are doing, and they giving their 100% efforts for the team. So all the best for the Vinu Mankad tournament, and best of luck Meghalaya Cricket Association.